pouring, mixing, leveling, threading. So the green marks are where we need to pour the concrete at the house, foundation. So there's a slope away, and there's a continuous slope that we measured kind of starting from this corner as a high corner and going down that way. Exactly what we're going to do in the corner here. Make the water come down this way. Make this water come down from here and kind of curve where that plate is, or where that line is. We're going to make a little ditch-ish thing in the concrete once we pour it. So the water will come down this way. I'll meet up there and go down to about that area, and then I'll figure out what to do. This I did not want to pour concrete around, so I built a little box. And then this guy, I did not want to pour concrete just in case something went south. Digging all this up, although we are pouring it maybe about 2 inches thick, so it'll be easy to break it, but still didn't want to deal with it. The box that we built, there's not much support from this thing actually. It's actually loose. If we were pouring it like 6 inches deep, like that would be probably a lot more force pushing out, but for now it's going to be smooth. I don't think we're make any patterns in it. My wife didn't like the idea of putting gravel on it to have that look. Didn't put any rebar in there. Hopefully we can still walk on it and it won't crack, and if it does crack I'll just seal it. There's still some areas where there's a little bit of stucco away from where we poured this. We'll figure out whether we just stucco it or just look like a little ramp from the concrete. We'll do another pass at it a little bit later, but this is what it's shaping up to be for now. We're just measuring it with a level, bubble level. Bit of sloping away and down and running off. We have to build a little bit of a ramp, a little bit of a build up on this side, just to make sure that the water doesn't just run off here. As you can see, a little lip, we built it up. So that's how it's progressing. Pretty quick. We're just mixing those bags of concrete. We're using crack resistant fiber reinforced concrete mix. 80-pound bags, Sacrete. I just got them at Home Depot. We got about 12 of them to do about, I don't know, 15 feet by, by 3 by 2 inches. We might run out, we might not, I don't know. We'll see. We still have a couple bags left to do that most critical corner over there where the water will be pulling up and running off. So, not too bad.